really hope this is recording. Welcome back, mindful drinking friends. It's so good to see you. Chelsea is taking the night off today. I'm not sure what to do with my hands. If the video isn't very good, blame me, because I'm the one that pushed record. Every once in a while, you will come across a beverage that you look at the recipe and you say, they did what now? This drink that we are going to make for you has a very vibrant color. And the reason it has a vibrant color is because of a very special process of making one of the ingredients. I'll just get straight to the chase. We're making an arugula simple syrup today. Now, for many of you that have eaten arugula before, probably wouldn't think that arugula and sugar mixed in a mocktail is actually gonna be any good. And here's a secret, I haven't even tried this yet. I'm just hoping that it works out. But I'll be honest, we need to get more greens in our drinks anyway. And you know, being a mindful drinker, being someone that really cares about the things that go into our body, we should be adding greens whenever we possibly can, right? Live a little longer, be a little healthier, and we're doing that today. So I'm not gonna show the process of making the arugula simple syrup, but we will put it in the description how to make it. It's quite simple, but I'm excited to get in to taste this because I'm not sold on it yet. We'll see what it's like. Huh? All right, well, let's get our ingredients. I have no one to talk to anymore because Chelsea's gone, so it's just me and you guys. So let me get the ingredients. Okay, so what we're gonna need to make this drink is a lot more than just this arugula simple syrup, but we're going to need one non-alcoholic gin. I will be using the Free Spirits non-alcoholic gin. We currently use this, we just used this at an event to make a French 75, which is a drink that we'll make at the new year, and it is good, not gonna lie, real good non-alcoholic gin. We'll also be using a vodka, and the vodka that I have chosen is the Clean Co vodka. It's really good, has a little apple notes, which I like. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, and the main star of the show. Look at that, you can't even see through it. What is that? Can't even remember. This is our arugula simple syrup, and I cannot wait to try it. So why am I still talking? Let's make this drink. Gotta remember how to make it though. Okay, all right, so in a shaker, we are going to have, oh, that's on there pretty good. We are going to have 1.5 ounces of non-alcoholic gin. Then 1/2 ounce of our non-alcoholic vodka. 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. 1/2 ounce of our arugula simple syrup. Here. And one thing I forgot to mention is we're actually just gonna have a little pinch of salt in there as well. I'm just using the Malden sea salt flakes. So quick pinch of salt there. Let's get our ice and shake it up. All right, we have our ice. All right, now we have a Nick and Nora. Don't be doing that. Currently chilling in the freezer. So let's give this a shake for about 10 to 15 seconds and let's drink it. Oh, smells good. All right, double strain into our chilled Nick and Nora here. Oh yeah. You can probably see it in the description, but I haven't really said the name of this drink yet. It is called the Green Vesper. There it is. So we got non-alcoholic gin, non-alcoholic vodka, lemon juice, arugula simple syrup, and a pinch of salt. So let's go in for a sip. Initial impressions are I added maybe a little bit too much salt because I'm getting a lot of salt up front. But the interesting part is, wow, there's a lot going on in there. So after drinking, I think what I would do is I would do a little bit more arugula simple syrup. We'll make another one here with less of the vodka. Oh, I think we'd be good. And then a little bit less salt. So let me get the other glass, remake it. Okay, round 2, 1.5 ounces of gin. So I thought that was pretty good. Now I'm gonna do It called for half an ounce. I'm only gonna do 1/4 of an ounce. Just a little bit, because I like the taste, but it was a little much. Sticking with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And now I'm going 3/4 of an ounce of the Arugula simple syrup. Because I like the taste of it, I just couldn't really taste it. And then just the tiniest little pinch of salt, like not very much. All right, let's give this a shake. Oh, it already smells like better mocktail. Let's try this. Okay, there's try number 2. It's a little darker in color, which I like. You know what's interesting about this? Let me try again just to make sure that I'm getting that taste right. I mean, that's quite good. I feel like it tastes almost like if I just put a nice cold press juice together and put it in a nice glass. But the cool part is I get the arugula and I'm getting the gin and that vodka right up front, and the ending it's just got a very like sweet juice ending. Like a sweet, like I said, like a cold press juice. I like it. The Green Vesper, okay, I mean that one's way better than this one, but let's just try this one again just for fun. Yeah, hands down. That's the recipe that we will put in the description, because that's where it's at. So, I mean, this is a drink that you can really make anytime, because it's got so many different flavors. Not boxed into one corner. Make it for St. Patrick's Day, that would be fun. Make it just to feel healthy about yourself. And ultimately, the more greens that we get into our body, the better, right? So any way that we can drink them, even if it's in a fancy Nick and Nora glass like this, all the better, right? So while we're here, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Please click that subscribe button. Like we say here, subscribe with intention. Every subscription we get helps us reach more people, help more people in the process. So keep drinking mindfully and enjoy, seriously, enjoy this Green Vesper. Cheers. I don't know what to say anymore. My wife's gone. Someone will have to hit stop. Maybe it'll be you.